yang jilu ni tang jiasim dawa xiwe cai jiu ni me dawa gang la pa be la ge yu bin xi li de bu jiawa tang jin qian jiang se wo jin bu qiao le ge su slen de ge san ni shui bu na la ren zhen nam gan de lang ge ju ge gang xin chu zuo xi ka ge de ni xi wa xi sang de ge xia su de ren ka yo ba da ge ge su zhong lu seng ge da ji ni wa dun ju ji xiang jia ba nan ba xin chu zuo ji ma na nan ba xin mo 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 bu xi ge la de ka da da Yung din dun de xiong ba le da jiang suan nang ge ba di xi so yin zhe ge zhi ni gong san jiao pe zi sab ji xu sang gong san jiao ge de ge sen ge ba jian zhi xu wei len de yang nong song
One question. Can I ask one question? Yeah. What can the Swiss people do to help with this? What do you expect them to do? What would you like them to do?
I think on the practical level, you should show your concern about regenerate Tibetan culture, Tibetan Buddhism. Then environment is, I think, very, very important. So Tibetan environment becomes very, very critical because the river which cover almost all Asia, including China, and then Mekong River along Mekong River. Like Burma, Thailand, these countries, and then India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, then also Kazakhstan. Rivers, those rivers originally come from Tibetan Plateau. So I think over 1 billion people's life depend on these rivers. So it's a protection about Vedic ecology. Very, very important. So I think people should show concern. While the people everywhere express concern on global warming.